Okay, good morning. I have a US challenge lock here. Has a very sneaky like keyway on it. This is the bidding on the key. It's not too drastic. Okay, the lock does work very smooth. This is a 6-pin US challenge lock. Okay, we are locked up. Let's put it in the vise and open it up, see what kind of pins we have in it. Okay, let's use top of the keyway. And let's use this pick. Okay, let's start at the front of the lock. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's number 4. Number 5, I believe. Let's try to get number 6 now. Okay, a little bit on number 6. Let's come forward. Okay, there was a little bit on number 2 then, again. Okay, we still need some on number 6. Got to get under number 6 just right. Okay, there's a little bit on number 5. Okay, there's some on number 3 again. And we still got to get number 6 set. Okay, every time we try to set number 6, we drop a pin. Okay, maybe we got number 6 then. Let's try it and see. It dropped the tension wrench. Let's hope we didn't lose anything else. Okay, there was a little bit on number 1 again. Not wanting to set properly. Try number 5. I believe number 5 set a little bit. Okay, there was number 2, I believe. Let's go to the back, see if we can get number 6 to set. Number 6 just is not wanting to set. Just a little bit deeper pick on number 6. See if we can get number 6 to set. Okay, number 1 now finally set. See what we can do with number 6 now. See if we can get under number 6. Number 6 just is not wanting to set at all. Okay, I think number 6 is what's the hold up. Try the deeper pick now on number 6. There it is. Okay, finally opened that challenge lock. Number 6 just did not want to set. So, let's see if we can get everything set around here and open it up and look at the pins. Okay, we do have a key for it, so if we lock it up, we can still open it. Okay, let's check the plug and the bottom pins first. Okay, number 1 pin serrated. Serrated on number 2. Serrated on number 3. Serrated on number 4. Serrated on number 5, and number 6 is also serrated. Let's look at the plug. Let's get a close-up of it. Okay, every chamber in the plug is also threaded. Okay, I don't see anything else different about the plug except that it is threaded. Let's check our bottom pins. Back up just a little. Excuse me. Okay, there's pin 1. We'll look at them closer in a moment. Okay, pin 2. Okay, pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5. Okay, don't know how that one come out. We'll look at that in a moment. Number 6 is also fell out, I believe. Okay, there's number 6. get the springs out. Alright, see if we can get a close-up of these pins and straighten them up a little bit. Okay, let's look at the Bible first. Okay, every chamber in it is also threaded. Every pin chamber is also threaded. Okay, let's look at the pins real close. Okay, 1 and 2 is a spool serrated on top. This one is a deep cut spool. This one is serrated in a spool. This is another weird type of mushroom spool. And this one is another serrated spool, and this is another serrated spool. Okay, that's what we have in this challenge lock this morning. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. We don't need any headaches of any kind. So thank you again. Appreciate it.